Hey guys, it's KJMHD here, and today I'm showing you how to make an excavation grinder for the MCMMO plugin. Today I am playing on Extronus.net, pvp.extronus.net, best Minecraft server there ever will be. Alright, anyways, back to the main point of the video. So, all you will need to make for this little grinder is a shovel, 2 snow cubes, 2 snow blocks, and a pumpkin. And you will need to make a snow golem. And to make that, you need to place 2 snow blocks on top of each other, like so, and then a pumpkin on top. And every time you break this little snow pad under it, you get 20 excavation XP. And I find this to be the best method because it's cheap and it works very well. It's very compact, and if your shop on your server that you play on sells snow, it's perfect for you. And as you can see from this, I use it quite a bit. But thanks guys for watching. If you would, please slap that subscribe button, comment down below, and like the video. Thanks a lot, guys. And my snow golem disappeared. Thanks, guys. Bye.